Hey everybody, this is Peter at We Are Airstream right here in Chandler, Arizona. Today we are in our showroom, air conditioned by the way. It's almost 100 degrees outside, not that way in here, so very comfortable walk around so you can take a look at all of our trailers. Today though, we're going to show the Pottery Barn. We may have done one or two walkthroughs on this before, but this one is here available in the store right now. We're not going to do a full-on walk around because I've done that in the past. What I do want to show is some of the extra features, some of the extra options that come with it. When you get a Pottery Barn, you're going to get this patio set right here, table and chairs right here. What is also one of the coolest things is this little exterior bar. So this hooks right into one of the windows right through the dinette right here, and allows an extra platform for drinks, for extra food. I kind of picture an apple pie kind of right here. I don't know why I picture that. The Pottery Barn insignia and the always home right here on the screen door. Also on this particular coach, on all the Pottery Barns, you're going to have a chalkboard, so that way if one of you is going out for coffee or a hike and your mate is staying inside, you can write, hey, gone to get coffee, I'll be back in 5 minutes. An awesome little feature right here. What is not a Pottery Barn specific feature, we do sell this separate in our merchandise store. This right here is our Magma Grill setup. Quite a few different features for the Magma Grill. The coolest thing about this one is how it couples right into the back bumper. That is an extra feature that'll work on a Pottery Barn or an International or Flying Cloud, anything with a back bumper that'll attach to. So why don't we go and take a look inside and I can show you some of the other special features in there. So guys, actually I'm going to come in here and ring the doorbell. Doorbell comes standard on the Pottery Barn. So the Pottery Barn is on a 28-foot floor plan. The differences between this and what would be an International or a Flying Cloud are just a lot of the extra features. So you have the couch right here, Pottery Barn fabric on this. You can go into any Pottery Barn store, find a couch with this exact fabric on it. One of the other differences right here is you have this awesome workspace, which is kind of included right in the armrest of this couch. An awesome little feature not included on the other 28 footers. Different style for storage underneath here. So you got storage that kind of just is incorporated right into the couches. You'd never even know it, that there was storage unless I was kind of showing it to you right there. Roman shades. The Roman shades are specific on the Pottery Barn and the Classic. So those are the only two models, or high-end models, that carry that. The sconces are obviously different. The countertops different. The farm sink. I love the farm sink right here. Hopefully going to get that on future models, but as of right now, the only way to get this is on the Pottery Barn. And obviously all the fixtures right here, also all Pottery Barn. Solid oak tabletop right here. This actually does go down into a bed, obviously, as well, just like you would on all the 28 footers. These are a couple of the little differences, the little changes that you can kind of see from the Pottery Barn to the other 28 feet models that we have. Why don't we go and show you the back? So here we are. This is a 28 rear bed queen, the one that we have available right now. All the storage, which you'd get on all of our models, not just the Pottery Barn, but it does come with the special bedding right here. The sconces as well, the bedside table sconces, all the reading lights are different. You get the Roman shades in here too. In terms of the bedroom, I really do like the queen bed configuration in here, because you do have individual his and hers bedside tables, and then a lot of storage right underneath here as well. What I really want to show you is the bathroom. The bathroom in the Pottery Barn is absolutely spectacular. You come on in here and you've got all the wood detailing, the circular backlit mirror. You've got above ceramic sink right here with the fixture, and then the subway tile, which actually really gives this an unbelievable feel. So thank you guys very much for this abbreviated walk around video on this brand new Pottery Barn we have available right here in the store. I'm looking up at the awning fabric. I forgot to tell you about that too. Special awning fabric on this special edition Pottery Barn. You can take a look at this unit and all of our other units on our inventory page at weareairstreamsuperstore.com. Look forward to seeing you soon.